This is the rear bump stop. Should have a piece on the bottom. I've tried removing these two bolts. I can spin the whole bolt, and there's a nut on the back. They're 9/16, both the bolt and the nut. I cannot get that nut to release from the back, and I have now rounded off the nuts at the back. What I'm going to do now is just use an angle grinder to cut through there and drift out the two bolts. I'm obviously working near the petrol tank, which is behind there, and so I've just got this piece of aluminium in. Having ground those off or cut them off, I'm just going to drift those two bolts out, and there's plenty of room at the back for them to drop. They're drifted out easily enough. With it drifted out, it's just a question of pulling it off. I guess that is the original Bren's blue. And see how it actually matches to the Bren's blue of the car. Although with reflections it's not that obvious. That's what it looks like off the car. Another mistake I made was thinking that this was all one unit. So I removed those bolts. However, that's the new bump stop, which fits on here. So I need to buy a new one, or I could repair that by welding a plate on it. Don't make that mistake. If you're going to grind off the bolts, take a bit more care. Finished job. Just need to spray some more wax oil, and that'll be done. Two stainless steel bolts, so it should be easy for the next person. This is the right hand side rear. Just need to do the left hand side rear.